some of this yummy okra. I'll think about it. Hey, welcome back to Candra's World Candylands. Happy Tuesday. Happy holidays. How's your weather? Up here, DC, it's cloudy, but guess what? It's 60 degrees. But they calling for snow tomorrow, Wednesday. But it's not going to stick because the ground is not cold enough for snow. Yeah. So I had me some chicken wings, not the 8, some okra, and some macaroni and cheese. This morning, yes, I did get up and cook this morning because that's what I had to take for. I don't want no breakfast. I ain't forget my water. The TVs are down. So let's get right into this meal. How y'all doing today? I'm so happy my son played the game, his basketball game yesterday. And guess what? They won. This is his 5th game, and they finally won when the season almost over with. Really. But he has a game on his birthday. His birthday is Thursday. My son, EJ. That chick packer hot. My son will be 15 years old. That's my baby boy. Lord knows he's a pest, but he's my pest as well as his daddy. We will be talking about Geminis when they are mad, so come on in, Gems. Come on in. Let me get a squeak of this. That cold water hit different when it was freezing in the freezer. And there will be a sippy sip time no later than 2. I'm going to try to go early. Then again, no. Because if I start early, I end early. So I'm going to say no later than 3. Matter of fact, probably 3 o'clock. Because I know everybody I done made my rounds on my phone calls. My kids will be coming in. Then I have time to clean up and stuff what I want to do. So I say 3 o'clock. Tuesdays 3 o'clock. Fridays 3 o'clock. And Sundays that'll be early. Because everybody home on Sundays. Look at that slime. I wanted to do that Smash the Greens challenge by Tam's Table, but somehow I can't do a premiere live because I don't have a laptop right now. But I will get one times definitely. I'm get me a laptop. So I can start doing premiere live. Because I don't want to eat on camera in a live stream. I like to talk my mess in a live stream. I do a premiere when I'm eating. Time is flying, y'all. Let's get into this Gemini. Because I do want to enjoy my meal off camera. But plus, this is dinner. I killed it. Did my little video, cooked dinner, and yeah, that's all they gotta do is heat it up when they come out. So I don't have to do no cooking. This bite. Spike love this. How you do? This bite. Hey kids. They can be fighting in a minute. Okay, Geminis when they are angry or mad. If you get a Gemini mad enough, listen carefully. Because everything they are going to say, they've been holding it in to spare your feelings. Trust me. You don't want to get a I think that's true because they so happy-go-lucky that they let stuff slide. But like I just said, if you made them mad, honey, that explosiveness will just look out. Because they already got a gift for gab of mouth. So imagine if they mad at you or they angry. Oh, you gonna get it. You gonna get everything get called. Oh, you gonna get it. You gonna feel that wrath. On a personal level. Them Gemini. They good, intelligent people. Smart. But please don't get them that mad that they gonna have to come for you. Because by the time they get finished with you, you will be crying. But y'all, it's been good. I be on Sippy Sip time. Well, it's Tuesday. I be Tipsy Tuesday today on live. So I'm about to slide. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. Until next time, I see y'all soon with another Mukbang. Deuces.